Modern manufacturing places a high priority on productivity, efficiency, and flawless machining in workshops, and so CNC machines have come to dominate this aspect of production. The four primary Catia V5 machining modules are focused around the simulation, verification, and G-code creation for CNC machines applicable to all industries and ranging from 2.5 axes all the way to multi-axis. This detailed and sometimes complex process is presented in Intratech's 5-day NC machining training course. Having created the final part using Catia's standard part design functions, the NC machining process begins with the creation of the starting volume. This is a model of material from which the part will be cut and can be left to Catia to be automatically defined or defined by the user in cases where the part will be cut from an offcut from a previous project. Next is the selection of the machine and axis system, along with tool catalogs, speeds, and feed rates. Proceeding to cutting operations, the exact cutting processes such as roughing, surfacing, and pocketing are defined to reduce the starting volume into the final part. This step is accelerated with the inclusion of multiple built-in macros to quickly define the tool paths with minimal user input. Catia is then able to simulate the entire process, providing the user with a real-time display of the cutting tool and steadily reducing material, enabling the user to error check the process. At this point, additional programs such as VeriCut can be used to increase the efficiency of the G-code and cutting process to reduce cutting time and improve overall productivity. The final and optional step is to create a Catia scene where a complete rendered video can be made of the cutting process that shows the part and tool models in action. Day 1 begins with setting up the machining process in Catia and prismatic machining operations such as facing and roughing on a 2.5 axis CNC machine. Day 2 completes the prismatic work by detailing macros used to automatically path the tool, and then it moves up to 3-axis machining and the respective operations. The start of Day 3 is used to verify students' knowledge of the work thus far, with the morning spent completing training exercises, giving hands-on practice to enhance the course and improve understanding, before moving on to the more complex multi-axis machining. The higher degrees of freedom for a multi-axis machine provides for a greater complexity in the tool paths that can be used, allowing for spiral and helical cuts. The course is rounded off on Day 5 by going through Catia's vast catalogue of tools and macros, as well as special geometric zones and accommodation of reworks. If you are interested in enhancing your skills with our courses, or simply looking for further information, please contact us by email, phone, or visit our website.